Introducing the Etrushku T7.4 KBC, a 7.4-meter motorhome that brings together a modern design with a comfortable layout. Starting on the outside, you can see straight away that this motorhome has a sleek modern design. At 7.4 meters long, it offers a generous interior space while still being very manageable to drive. There's excellent storage throughout the motorhome, with a large rear storage compartment as well. Whether you're carrying chairs, tables, luggage, or even bicycles, you've got room for it all. Another nice touch is that all the windows have blackout blinds and mosquito nets, which makes a real difference when you're parked up and just want more privacy and comfort. Moving into the cockpit, this model comes with a 2.2 diesel engine producing 140 horsepower. Automatic transmission, cruise control, and customizable drive modes make it smooth and easy to drive and also fuel efficient. If you do a lot of touring, having an automatic gearbox really does make a difference, especially on traffic or on longer journeys. We've also got cockpit AC, a dual rear view camera, and a CarPlay system with navigation screens so that your maps, music, phone calls and apps are always available. And once the captain's chairs are turned around, the cab blends into the main living area very nicely. This is definitely one of the standout parts of the motorhome. As soon as you step into the living area, it feels open and inviting. You've got very good sized dining and lounge space that makes a huge difference when you're spending time inside. Above the lounge, you've got the large drop-down bed for 2 people. It gives you the extra sleeping space when you need it, but during the day, it stays tucked away. This is another area where the motorhome performs very well. A spacious kitchen with 2 gas burners and also running water, and a large worktop for you to cook your meals. There's excellent storage over here. You're also covered with a 150-liter absorption fridge with freezer. Now, at the back, this is where the motorhome gives you that extra feeling of comfort. You've got the private rear suite, which gives you the proper separate sleeping area rather than just a bed fitted into the main living space. This gives you much more privacy. There's also plenty of storage around the rear area, so clothes, bedding, and personal items can all be kept neatly out of the way. It's a very comfortable layout, especially if you're planning longer trips and want that proper bedroom feeling. In the washroom area, you've got a very well thought setup. What's nice about this layout is that the bathroom and the shower are separate, which makes everyday use much easier and more comfortable. It gives the whole space a more premium feel, and if you're traveling with another person or with friends or family, it's much better arrangement than having everything combined into a small, wet room. It also comes fitted with a Thetford cassette, very practical option for a motorhome use. This motorhome is also very well equipped for touring. You've got 110-liter water tank that gives you a good level of onboard water capacity for your trips away, and it also has the Truma Combi heater that heats up the water and the air inside your motorhome. You've got a hot water and blown air heating system on board, which is ideal for keeping the vehicle comfortable in different conditions. When you add in the solar panel, the leisure battery, and capacity for 2 11-kilo gas bottles, it all comes together as a motorhome that's clearly set up for easy and comfortable travel. So that's a look around the Etrushku T7.4 KBC. It's a smart motorhome with a great layout, plenty of room, and the kind of features that make touring easy and enjoyable. Drive the journey, not just the destination.